In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collapse all layers in Figma. Figma is an incredibly robust design tool, but as your projects evolve and grow in complexity, the Layers panel on the left side of your screen can quickly become overwhelming. We've all experienced it, an endless list of expanded frames, groups, and elements, making it hard to find what you need or get a clear overview of your design. This visual clutter often leads to wasted time and frustration as you scroll endlessly. Fortunately, Figma offers a straightforward yet powerful keyboard shortcut to instantly bring order to this chaos. This action allows you to collapse every single expanded layer in your Layers panel, bringing them back to their highest level parent or top level frame. It's a game changer for maintaining a clean and efficient workspace, especially when navigating large, intricate design files or collaborating within a team. So, how do you perform this essential cleanup? It's quite simple. The key combination you need to remember is Alt and L. To use it, simply ensure you are within the Figma application. While your mouse cursor can be anywhere on the canvas or within the interface, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard, and then simultaneously press the L key. It's a quick, two-key press that yields immediate results. The moment you execute this shortcut, you'll observe an instant transformation within your Layers panel. All those downward-pointing arrows, indicating expanded groups and frames, will magically flip to point sideways. This clear visual feedback confirms that all your layers have successfully collapsed, now showcasing only their top-level parent containers.